morning everyone. Myself Arshit of class 10 CBSE. Today I am standing here in front of you to say a few words about the growth of AI. It can cause us disadvantages and the citizen's life affects it. What is AI? AI is a long language module that can interact with you as a human is typing in front of you. It can cause various disadvantages. It can cause a death. Firstly, a job loss and unemployment. It has a revolutionary thing in revolutionary thing. It affect all the sector. It can cause heavy unemployment rate. It can cause higher rate of unemployment rate, and the human society can design it. And second thing is misinformation and the deepfakes. As you all know, the deepfake and the misinformation is spreading by AIs. It can cause changes in political of country. Thank you.